Hello everyone, my name is John Turusiki and today I will talk about the tide tables and it's important for seafarers. What is a tide table? A tide table is a book or a chart shows the predicted times and heights of tides at a certain place, like a port or a beach. It tells us when the high tide and low tide will happen. Now, why is it important for seafarers? Tide tables help seafarers to plan their trip safely. For example, when a ship is arriving at a port, the captain needs to know the tide times. The tide is low, the ship might not have enough water under it and could get stuck. If the tide is high, the ship can enter the port more safely and easily. The tide tables also help when leaving a port, cruising shallow areas, or anchoring. They are important for saving time, fuel, and most important for keeping the ship and crew safe. In summary, the tide tables are a very important tool for all seafarers. They help in planning safe and successful voyage by giving correct information about tides. Thank you for listening.